Across the vast wilderness of our planet, a family of giants roams forests, mountains, tundra, and ice. They are powerful, intelligent, and deeply misunderstood. From the towering grizzly of North America to the icebound polar bear of the Arctic, these animals shape their environments in ways we are only beginning to understand. Today we explore four remarkable bears: the grizzly bear, the black bear, the brown bear, and the polar bear. Our journey begins in the rugged landscapes of North America, where the legendary grizzly bear commands awe and respect. Recognizable by the hump on its shoulders, the grizzly is a symbol of raw wilderness power. Males can weigh more than 600 pounds, yet despite their massive size, they are surprisingly agile, capable of sprinting up to 35 miles per hour. Grizzlies are omnivores with a diverse diet of berries, roots, insects, fish, and occasionally large prey. Their true specialty is salmon fishing. Each year they gather along Alaskan rivers to intercept salmon swimming upstream, swiping them from the water with incredible precision. Though powerful, grizzlies are also intelligent, able to remember food sources for years and navigate vast territories. Cubhood is a long and critical learning period, with mothers teaching their young how to forage, fish, and avoid danger. But even these giants face challenges from habitat loss, human conflict, and climate change. In the dense forests of North America lives a bear far more widespread and adaptable: the American black bear. Despite their name, black bears can be black, brown, cinnamon, or blonde. Smaller than grizzlies, they typically weigh between 200 and 400 pounds. What they lack in size, they make up for in resourcefulness. They are expert tree climbers, often sending their cubs scrambling up trunks at the first sign of danger. Their diet is largely plant-based, with nuts, berries, fruits, and vegetation making up most of their intake. But they're opportunistic and will eat insects, small animals, carrion, and even human food if available. Shy by nature, black bears prefer to avoid conflict, though their curiosity often brings them near human communities. As winter approaches, they enter a state of torpor, slowing their heart rates and conserving energy for months. Mothers even give birth during this time, nursing cubs while still in a semi-sleeping state. Adaptable and resilient, black bears have managed to survive even as human populations expand. Our journey continues across continents to meet their close relative, the brown bear, found from Europe to Siberia. Closely related to the grizzly, brown bears are among the world's largest land predators. Their size and behavior vary by region. In Europe, they roam dense forests and mountains. In Russia, the massive Siberian brown bear travels across vast wilderness. In Kamchatka, they rival the size of coastal grizzlies, feeding heavily on salmon. Brown bears possess immense strength, capable of flipping 300-pound boulders in search of insects. Their lives follow seasonal rhythms, emerging hungry in spring, roaming for food in summer, feasting heavily in autumn, and retreating to dens in winter. Across cultures, they are symbols of power, bravery, and guardianship. Though widespread, they face threats from shrinking habitats and human expansion, yet they remain influential forces across the landscapes they inhabit. To meet our final bear, we travel far north to the Arctic, where the polar bear rules the frozen world. The polar bear is the largest of all bear species, with males often weighing between 900 and 1,500 pounds. Their white fur blends seamlessly into the icy world around them, where temperatures can drop far below freezing. Polar bears are classified as marine mammals because their survival depends on sea ice. They use the ice as a platform to hunt seals, waiting patiently by breathing holes until the moment a seal surfaces. They are strong swimmers, sometimes traveling more than 60 miles across open water. Thick fat layers and dense fur insulate them from the frigid environment. But the polar bear faces a future of uncertainty. As the Arctic warms, sea ice melts earlier each year, reducing the time they have to hunt. Some bears travel farther for food, burn more energy, and struggle to survive. Mother bears create dens in snowdrifts and give birth to tiny cubs who depend entirely on their warmth and protection. As the cubs grow, their mother teaches them to navigate the ice, hunt seals, and survive in one of the harshest climates on Earth. Grizzly bears, black bears, brown bears, and polar bears, 4 species connected by ancestry, yet shaped by the worlds they inhabit. They are solitary but emotional, powerful yet vulnerable. They shape forests, rivers, and tundras, maintaining balance across entire ecosystems. As the modern world expands, these magnificent animals face growing challenges. But through conservation, awareness, and coexistence, we can help ensure they continue to roam the wild for generations to come. They are more than just creatures of land or ice. They are symbols of wilderness, the living heart of the natural world. And as long as they survive, a piece of the wild survives with them.